Hi, this is Matt Norman with MarineMax Clearwater. Thank you for clicking on this new 2021 Sea Ray SPX 230 outboard. I will take you guys through a close-up look at this boat, and we'll point out a few key features and benefits to the design of this 230. First of all, you're going to see a new hull color design from Sea Ray for 2021. This is Neo Mint Green, and it is in the 3-zone option for the gel coat. So you have zone 1, zone 2, and zone 3, and it just allows you to continue to customize and make each boat your own. This color I can see being extremely popular for our market. Really blends well with those blue and green tones of the crystal clear water over here. Areas of the panhandle, down in the keys. Capped off by kind of a aggressive styling of the powder coated black watersports tower. So you'll see a port side swim ladder and a large swim platform with a walkway before you drop down into the cockpit. You also have plenty of room to board from the right side of the boat. Sea Ray power in this girl with 250 ponies, max horsepower on the 230 SPX. So plenty of power for pulling multiple tubes, skiers, wakeboarders, just wanting to feel the speed and the acceleration on the water. This would be a great option for you. Sea Ray puts that L-shaped seating, makes for a very inviting cockpit. And they also have the port side seat can be convertible to an aft-facing lounger when anchored out, or co-pilot seat when running. Tons of storage under every single one of these cushions. Noting the aft storage is a removable cooler. The port side storage is a built-in cooler. Bulk storage here. And then for water toys and bulky items, you have a monster dedicated finished storage here behind the aft seating. Also pointing out your dedicated table, cockpit table and bow table. If you do select those options, this boat has it. So it is ready to go into party mode. Big sun pad, which this will also flip up and convert to a aft lounger if you wanted to watch the kids, read a book, get out in some sun. But when you want to get into the shade, you got great coverage with the bimini top as part of the water sports tower. This boat's also got the new upholstery upgrade from Sea Ray. Gives you extra detailing in the upholstery and full upholstery up in the bow seating. Got a captain's chair with a flip-up bolster. Allows you to operate the boat while standing and then transition into a seated position. Got a flush-mounted Simrad, Fusion audio, and your lighting switches. And then below your throttle, you got a couple power ports and a cup holder. So captain is ready to roll. 23 SPX gives you the ability to do a porta potty or pump out head, which this one is the pump out. You have lighting in here and a good dedicated storage if you're not going to use it. But again, for those with families, this is a big thing. And to be able to do that in a 23-foot boat is impressive. Well done, Sea Ray. We got our bow seat in here. It is a sport boat, right? So we got plenty of room to lounge. 2 adults. I'm 5'9". I got no problem. If I were to be over 6 feet, I'd still have no problem if I just kicked my legs out that way. You have dedicated anchor storage under here. Storage for dock lines and fenders would be my favorite as here as well. Full backrest. You got grab handles. You got cup holders. We also have LED courtesy lighting, setting the mood, and then a good shot of that wraparound windshield that can close up. Infinity woven upgrade on the flooring. It is removable. And that is a quick but detailed peek at the new Sea Ray SPX 230 that we just received in stock here at MarineMax Clearwater. Feel free to reach out to me, Matt Norman, about this boat or any of the boats we have here in our almost 50,000 square foot air-conditioned showroom. Again, thank you for joining me, and we'll see you on the water.